Get ready to have your world turned upside down as Kia unveils its most astonishing creation yet, the Kia EV9. Brace yourself for a jaw-dropping experience as we delve into its mind-blowing design, groundbreaking technology, and electrifying performance. This is not your ordinary electric vehicle. This is a game-changer that will redefine the future of mobility. But wait, at the end of the video, we'll reveal the ultimate game-changer that brings us one step closer to the EV revolution. This mind-blowing feature will leave you on the edge of your seat, eager to discover what it could be. Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey into the future of electric mobility as we unveil the highly anticipated Kia EV9 SUV. Kia has emerged as a force to be reckoned with, stepping up their game and competing head-on with major car makers like Mercedes, Audi, and BMW. With the EV9, Kia has set a new standard for excellence, proving that they are a formidable player in the industry. The Kia EV9 is a visionary SUV designed under the expertise of an ex-BMW designer. Its distinct aesthetics, reminiscent of new Range Rover cars, may garner mixed reactions. However, as the EV9 becomes more prevalent on the roads, it symbolizes innovation and progressive design, gradually winning over skeptics. This groundbreaking vehicle has the power to challenge traditional beauty standards and shape a new automotive aesthetic. With its angular lines and aerodynamic bubble design, the EV9 pushes the boundaries of what an SUV can be. Kia's commitment to innovation and daring design positions them as formidable competitors against luxury brands. The performance capabilities of the Kia EV9 are equally impressive. With multiple powertrain options available, including rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, the EV9 offers exhilarating acceleration and dynamic handling. Its electric motors, combined with advanced battery technology, deliver instant torque and swift acceleration. In just 5 seconds, you'll go from 0 to 60 mph, experiencing the thrill of the open road like never before. When it comes to range and charging, the Kia EV9 sets a new standard. With a battery size of 76 kilowatt-hours, the EV9 offers an impressive range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. Recharging is made convenient with the EV9's 800-volt architecture, enabling fast charging from 10% to 80% in just 25 minutes. Say goodbye to range anxiety and hello to a seamless driving experience that keeps you on the move. Not only does the Kia EV9 excel in performance and range, but it also prioritizes comfort and convenience. Step inside the Kia EV9 and you'll be greeted by a spacious and meticulously crafted interior. Premium materials, impeccable attention to detail, and advanced technology seamlessly come together to create a truly immersive driving experience. The EV9 boasts a futuristic dashboard featuring a horizontal focus area and a cutting-edge one-screen design. It's a harmonious blend of style and functionality that puts you in control. The Kia EV9 prioritizes comfort and convenience for its passengers. It has comfortable seats made with high-quality materials, providing support and relaxation. The cabin is spacious and can accommodate up to 6 or 7 people, creating a lounge-like atmosphere. The unique seating arrangement allows the front-facing seats to be turned around, promoting better interaction among rear passengers. The interior is designed with various conveniences such as a small panoramic roof, temperature and manual controls, hotkeys, and a user-friendly button layout. Kia ensures that every occupant, regardless of seating position, enjoys a comfortable and enjoyable ride. In addition to its exceptional design and performance, the Kia EV9 embraces sustainability and advanced technology. The EV9's intelligent energy management system optimizes power utilization, maximizing efficiency and minimizing environmental impact. It can also function as a power source, equipped with an integrated charging control unit and outlets to power external devices. Safety is a top priority, with the EV9 equipped with advanced driver assistance systems and a comprehensive suite of safety features, including 10 airbags. The Kia EV9 is set to shake up the electric SUV market, offering a compelling alternative to its rivals. With its luxurious and spacious interior, bold design, and advanced technology, the EV9 competes with mid-sized electric SUVs bearing premium badges. Its size and capabilities make it a worthy contender against models like the Cadillac Lyriq and BMW iX. Whether you're seeking elegance, performance, or sustainability, the EV9 delivers it all in one remarkable package. The EV9 stands out as the flagship SUV from Kia, designed entirely under the watch of an ex-BMW designer. Its striking design captures attention from every angle, combining bold lines and aerodynamic features. It offers a range of pricing options starting from £60,000 for the entry-level version. However, prices can increase depending on the configuration and customization of the car, with the highest range reaching £85,000. As a high-end electric SUV, the EV9 not only embodies luxury and sophistication, but also embraces sustainability, contributing to a greener future for mobility. The Kia EV9 offers a range of enticing features to enhance its sporty appeal. The GT line variant introduces sportier elements, including 21-inch wheels and contrasting wheel arches, adding to its dynamic presence on the road. Optional camera mirrors provide a futuristic touch while maintaining practicality. The side profile of the EV9 showcases angular lines that accentuate its modern and adventurous character. Its aerodynamic bubble design not only enhances its aesthetics, but also improves efficiency. The EV9 comes in a full-size SUV package, measuring a length of 501 centimeters or 197 inches. This generous size provides ample space for passengers and cargo, making it a versatile and practical choice for families and adventurers alike. The EV9 is available for different configurations, including rear-wheel drive with a small battery pack for a quick 8-second acceleration figure, or a larger battery option for a 9-second acceleration. Opting for the larger battery enables all-wheel drive capability, delivering enhanced traction and performance. Experience the thrill of acceleration with the Kia EV9. With its electric motor, the EV9 achieves impressive speeds, going from 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 6 seconds. The top speed reaches 200 kilometers per hour or 125 miles per hour for all-wheel drive models, while rear-wheel drive models offer a still impressive 185 kilometers per hour or 115 miles per hour. The EV9 offers a perfect blend of power and efficiency, allowing you to enjoy an exhilarating driving experience while reducing your carbon footprint. The Kia EV9 sets new standards for electric SUVs with its fully autonomous driving feature, taking control of the road and providing the ultimate driving experience. Its captivating design, advanced technology, and luxurious interior make it exceptional. With exhilarating power, sustainability, and a commitment to a greener future, the EV9 redefines electric mobility. Embark on a mesmerizing journey into the future with the EV9 and experience its allure, innovation, and luxury. Discover the incredible world of the Kia EV9, where driving is reimagined. In conclusion, Kia EV9 is an electric SUV that shatters conventions and redefines the automotive landscape. Its stunning and audacious design commands attention at every turn, while the opulent interior envelops you in a world of refined luxury and cutting-edge technology. The EV9's electric powertrain delivers a thrilling and eco-conscious performance, propelling you into a future where power and sustainability harmoniously coexist. Embrace the thrill of driving innovation and embark on a journey of style, comfort, and environmental responsibility with the game-changing Kia EV9.